Alright guys, so lovely. I was going to get my selfie stick out, but I haven't got enough time. I might have to revisit this place again. I'll spend the whole fucking... I'll do this like a summer jobby really. I keep stressing. Yeah. Oh, I'm running out of light, I'm running out of light, I'm running out of light. As long as I get to Bleak House Ruins before 5, it's only a 26-minute walk, but I've made it a bit longer. Obviously, I've missed. Hang on. Concentrating. So basically, I went on the wrong path. So, but the advantage is I've got this unique footage. There's a little stone wall there. Someone's house used to be there. Lovely. I'll have to look on the Dartmoor map. Little birdie. So I've got 10 kilos on my back. And that is, tripod is about 1 kilo. Food is probably about 2. Can I go this way? That path's going up. Let's see what happens. I don't know what to happen. There's a little bench there, mate. So this would be a perfect place to do a vlog. So let's come along here a little bit. This is unique, so I've never been here before, so I need to be a bit careful. This is why it's good to wear these type of gloves. I wouldn't be able to bring all my like camping equipment here, mate. So there's 2 ways to get up there, left, down or up. Let's go down this way. Let's make sure my footing's okay. There's another path here. I should have picked that path. Ah, idiot. Let's jump. Oh, such a shame, mate. I could take loads of pictures here as well. That's a bit slippy there. Look at that. Fucking perfect. Oh, let's have a seat. Oh, this is lovely. Yeah, I'm definitely glad I had that meal deal. I'll research if I... This is lovely, mate. Look at that. Are you recording still? Yeah, look at that. If I'm wearing gloves, I can't touch the screen. See what's going on. I haven't got time to stop and record all this. I'd stand there and just take loads of pictures and everything like that. I can take the pictures from the main actually. Right, there's 2 ways to do this. Let's go down the lower part. I'm going to keep this as a separate video. This is unique. I don't want to keep it to time lapse. I bought all my GoPro batteries anyway. Have I bought my external? Yeah, I bought my external charger, my anchor. I've got some other SD cards in there. What's your SD card on there? 3 hours 2 minutes. So I'm just going to basically keep this rolling. This is a separate video. I'm doing this anyway. There's 2 ways to do it. This way. I want to go across a stepping stone. I've taken the hardest route, but which way am I going? Through that way? Yeah. So just hand on that. It's a bit moist down there. This is a nice little spot to camp as well, mate. This would be lovely in the summer. So what I'll do when I come up here in the summertime next, I'll come down with all my equipment and stuff and just come down there and do a vlog. I'm going to go this way for some reason, or maybe not. It's going through the heather. Let's just follow the river. I don't know where the stepping stones are. I could take the audio out of this as well, so I don't want to do this into a fast lap. You'll mix all the features. I know it's taking up memory, but if it's just same, then obviously I'll do it as a time lapse, same as my driving. I'm just trying to get to the stepping stones, mate, so I'll get the selfie stick out and get some shots of that and then go up to the tour. What's the time? Time 4 o'clock. Light is starting to diminish, guys, so I need to hurry up. Left or right, left or right, left, 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 left or right. Let's go up here. And we end up going to the left again. Look down. That's a bit slidey slidey. Where's these fucking stepping stones, mate? Should I have stayed on the right hand side, on the left hand side path? Yes, I'd be at the tour by now, but fuck it. I'm not going back. I'm actually looking down because I need to watch where I'm putting my feet. Whew. If this was summer, I'd be sweating. Come up this path a little bit. Don't know what that was. So where's these stepping stones then? Don't know. Might have to give up the walk on this one, so I'm running out of light. I don't know where the stepping stones are, mate. Might have to get my OS maps out. I'm not going that way. Where's these stepping stones then? I'm way off course, mate. Yeah, I think I've gone past the stepping stone. I basically need to cross this river, mate, really. Right. I don't know where they are. I can't see anything ahead. Right. Let's pause for a little bit. Let me get my phone out and then... Oh, bollocks. Catch you in a bit, guys.